know who President Biden will appoint to the Supreme Court to replace Justice Breyer, but I hope she is confirmed quickly. But let's have a little perspective on this. This nominee will be there for a very long time, like all justices today. If you were a baby born today and are fortunate enough to go to college and grad school and start your career, this justice will still be on the court then. If you are a newlywed and maybe you're planning to have children in a few years, by the time when this justice will still be on the court when you're likely to become a grandparent. If you're middle-aged, like many, many Americans, you'll be dead and gone, and this justice will still be on the Supreme Court. Now, some might say this is good because we want people who aren't afraid about job security or something like that, but that's absurd in the 21st century, even the 20th century economy. This is about politics. And what happens here is because of the political moment, we put somebody on the court essentially forever, and they essentially follow the ideological tilt of that moment. And we see this notion that people change on the Supreme Court. That's a trope that we've told ourselves because it was true for a moment in American history. But Clarence Thomas has been there for 30 years, and he hasn't changed. And Neil Gorsuch and Brett Kavanaugh and Amy Coney Barrett will be there for another 20 or 30 years at least, and I don't think they're going to change either. Now, you might say this works for both parties, and this is just what happens about winning and losing elections. But the problem is the Supreme Court is a function of the two least democratic branches of our government, the Electoral College and the U.S. Senate, neither of which are based on one person, one vote. So our rule of law and our justice system is not founded in democratic processes, and that is very damaging for democracy. One way to address this is to think about the makeup of the Supreme Court and how long people serve there.